Under the guidance of Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Goa government has taken a major step towards restoring the state's rivers. Restoration work on a 4.5 kilometer stretch of the Tar River in Mapusa is progressing rapidly. The project aims to improve water flow, boost agricultural activities and reduce flood-like situations in the area.
4.5 किलोमीटर रिवर म्हणजे पुनरुत्थान करपाक शकलाय आणि ते पुनरुत्थान करता असताना त्याने ब्युटिफिकेशनही करपाक शकलाय. हातूंतल्यान दोन उद्देश जे जाले. हाजो फाउंडेशन स्टोन घालता असताना हांवें सांगलेलें की गोंयच्यो रिवर पुनर्जीवन करपाचें काम हे म्हज्या सरकारान सुरवात केलां.
Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant said that the initiative will provide significant benefits to farmers. Around 1,000 hectares of land will be able to support year-round cultivation. River cleaning, desilting and reconstruction of damaged riverbanks are also being undertaken by the Water Resources Department as part of the project.
Now we are constructing the embankment so that the high flood level does not enter into the fields. So the field area will be able to cultivate once the desilting and embankment work is done.
The project has been welcomed by the residents of Mapusa. People in the area believe it will help reduce flood-like situations and also promote tourism in the future.
हमारे गोवा गवर्नमेंट ने एक अच्छा इनिशिएटिव शुरू किया है. उन्होंने ये जो अभी तार रिवर है वो पूरा चैनलाइज करने का डिसीजन लिया है. तो यहाँ पे जो पूरा फ्लोडिंग होता था उसका सारा पानी एकदम चैनलाइज फ्लो होके वहाँ पे जो तार मोयरा रिवर है उस रिवर में जाएगा. उससे यहाँ पे फ्लडिंग नहीं होगी.
The Tar River Restoration Project reflects the Goa government's commitment to sustainable development, helping preserve natural resources while creating long-term benefits for local communities.